Welcome to Hikari's Hillside Retreat Holiday. Today I'm looking forward to sharing with you a scrapbook that I made for my sister when we were looking after her adorable cat Hikari while she was on holidays in Europe. In this scrapbook, I've also started incorporating videos throughout using QR codes for the very first time, which I will show you how I did as well. And I just love these cute stickers, which are from Doodlebug Designs, Kitten, Smitten collection. And I've used mainly their papers throughout this scrapbook as well. Now I'm just going to prop this scrapbook up to make sure there's less reflection against the plastic pockets, but I do like having them in plastic pockets so that when we touch the pages it doesn't leave fingerprints all throughout the scrapbook. I wanted to keep things quite simple in this scrapbook, so I've kept my layouts quite simple and just focused on using strips vertically or horizontally. And to try and get some consistency across the double pages, I've made sure I've used similar components on most of them. So here I've got the pink flowers and the green leaves. And how cute are these stickers? It really makes scrapbooking so much quicker and easy. And I really wanted this to be a nice, simple scrapbook as I was making it over the 2 weeks that we were looking after her cat. So I didn't want it to take too long. And this scrapbook is an 8 by 8 inch scrapbook, which is actually quite an odd size that I haven't used before, but I love the way it turned out. It's not too small, but also not too big, so it doesn't take too long to create each of the pages. For this next layout, Hikari loves being outside in his bubble bag and loved eating some of the cat grass that we brought inside for him. So I've got the grass and the clouds over both pages, and a lot of these stickers are from the same collection, but I've also got a few things from Close to My Heart stamps as well, which I've got most of them listed in my description box below. Now some days I work from home and Hikari loves sitting next to me while I work on the computer, so this was very cute and I thought I just had to scrapbook this. And then we also brought Hikari into the garage when we were doing a spring clean. So Hikari was climbing over everything possible, but definitely had a lot of fun. And something that our cat Ollie certainly does. And so he's very much like his cousin, even though they're not related, but they get along well enough. Now you can see here, this is where I've incorporated a QR code. And I never even thought about doing this until I saw the video from Jama Melmy. So I'll have a link below to her video on exactly how you can create your own QR code. It's super simple. All you do is use the free program called QR Code Generator to create your QR code and upload your video onto your YouTube channel as an unlisted item, so no one else can see it unless they have the link. Jama Melmy goes through exactly how to do that. And I love, love, love this new concept, as now I don't just scrapbook photos, but I can scrapbook videos as well. And so much fun incorporating some videos which have great memories associated with them. Hikari is about a 1-year-old, so has lots of energy and definitely an attention seeker. Certainly a bit much for my poor cat to handle. Ollie's about 9 years old and nowhere near as energetic. So we certainly needed to play a lot more with Hikari to get his energy out. And at the back or somewhere within your project, always incorporate your name or sign off your project. As with any artwork, it's really nice for the person to remember who created it for you and for you to also sign off your work. So remember to do that. I hope you've enjoyed a bit of inspiration from this scrapbook flip through. I'm Steph from Chaos in the Craft Room, and I hope you'll join me again next time. In the meantime, happy crafting.